Hey guys, my name is Carlo from Carlo's Auto Detailing, and today I'm going to be showing you the best way to clean your cloth seats in your car's interior using basic tools such as this little shop vac right here with just basic extensions, some all-purpose cleaner, some microfiber towels, and then later on I'll show you how some of us professionals like to do it using a steam cleaner to kill germs and really get into that deep grime and spills from, takeout, fast food, all of that stuff that your car kind of gets on a daily basis. Enjoy. Alright, you guys, as you can see, these seats are not too bad, but there is definitely some stains on them. As you can see, we've got some circles and spots from, ketchup, takeout, different things spilling on it. And then in the corners, we've got lots of crumbs and crud just stuck in there, as well as the cloth just being very faded actually as well. So we're going to see what we can do about that. I'm going to say right away that I do not recommend using dish soap. I recommend using an all-purpose cleaner. Which all-purpose cleaner, that is up to you. I personally am going to use Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner on these seats today. Okay, so step one is to get your vacuum. You can use whatever attachment you like on it. Just the standard one is okay. I'm using this one right here because I find it helps me get into the crevices and it helps suck up all of that cleaner and liquid that we're going to be getting into later. So the first step again is just to do a vacuum of all of those crumbs and all of that crud that you see on the seat itself. Let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I have my bottle ready to go. I have my towels and my detailing brush all ready to start with the job. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is to wet the towel and the cloth seats with your all-purpose cleaner. Please be generous with how much you put on your towel. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take that microfiber towel that we just used and we just sprayed some of our all-purpose cleaner on, and we're just going to simply rub in the cleaner into our seats, just like this. On different seats, it might react differently. As you can see, it's not doing too much for this stain here. So we're going to have to really lather this with the brush later on. But this is going to help you actually get a better result in the long run. So now let's get into that lathering. Alright, I like to keep my brush and my towel super close by. I'm going to grab my all-purpose cleaner and you're going to see why. This is the target area, all of this, right about here. This is the target area. So we're actually going to put a majority of our product right here on this stain. And we're going to let that sit for a little bit, and the reason we put the towel there is because we actually want it to stop and create a barrier here. It's going to do this with this crease already, but this just helps it not get too into the seat, because we want to make sure that, especially if you're doing it for professionals and you're doing it for your customers rather, you want to make sure that it doesn't get too wet for them. Of course, we are going to be vacuuming this up later. Now we're going to grab our brush and we're just going to agitate the stain. Just going to agitate the stain. Just like this. Let's spray a little bit more. This one is pretty deep. This must be like coffee or something. So we're gonna actually douse this because we have a bunch of cleaner here, and we're gonna keep on agitating. Awesome. And you can even spray your brush directly. You can also use a toothbrush. You don't have to use one of these brushes. Toothbrushes work very well. Of course, it just doesn't cover, the same size, and it's not the same quality, but toothbrushes actually also work very, very well. Awesome, so that's looking 1,000 times better. Now let's get our microfiber towel and just mop this up a little bit. All right, so at this point, all I've done is I've just wiped down the seat, scrubbed it with that brush and our all-purpose cleaner, and look at that, you guys. The stains are gone, and this is looking almost brand new again. Now all that's left is I'm going to just spray with my all-purpose cleaner one more time, and then we're going to vacuum that up, and I'll show you how we professionals like to use a steam cleaner to go that extra mile for our customers. Alright, so next I'm going to be steam cleaning it. I put a microfiber towel just on the end, just to basically protect it from that heat, because this does get pretty hot. And you know what, this thing isn't too bad for what it is. It's really light, really easy, and it does pour out a ton of steam. It really helps get rid of salt. And that's another video that's going to come up next, is to help you guys get rid of salt that's stuck in your carpets, on the fabrics where your shoes go. I know for those Canadian winters, it can really be beneficial for, your daily drivers. So let's get going on the steam. Insert all the vaping jokes in the comments below now. And this is going to reveal brand new looking seats at the end of this job. Check that out. It's steaming. Alright guys, so as you can see, that is the finished product. What a great outcome. That seat is looking brand new. I'm so glad you guys could tune in and enjoy this video today. If you did, and if it helped you guys out, definitely leave a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and consider sharing with your friends. Be kind, share this within your detailing community, or to a friend who has really, really bad cloth seats and needs this done to their seats as well. Maybe you guys can help them out. Thanks for joining me today on cleaning our cloth seats. Stay tuned for more videos in the future of how to get rid of salt stains and which products are best to use on plastics, that is the hard plastic surfaces, and your dash, and also your glass and your mirrors. Lots of more detailing videos to come. Thanks for joining me today. This has been Carlo from Carlo's Auto Detailing. Have a fantastic day.